Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and stream to Twitch with OBS Studio. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is go ahead and run your OBS Studio as an administrator. I hope you have set up scenes and sources. If not, I've already made a detailed video on how you can go ahead and set up scenes and sources for your OBS Studio. You can go ahead and watch that and come back to this one, because in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly just how to stream to Twitch. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on settings down over here, and all you need to do is click on stream. So in order for you to go ahead and stream to Twitch, you want to go ahead and click on services and select Twitch on here, and simply go ahead and click on use stream key. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on get stream key. It's going to take you to your dashboard where you want to simply go ahead and log in. I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. For me, I don't have my Twitch right now here, so let me just go ahead and show you. I couldn't log in into my Twitch. However, there is going to be stream key just like this right now. It is on YouTube, so it's going to be similar to this on Twitch. All you need to do is copy that from your Twitch and simply go ahead and click here and go ahead and paste it right over here, and simply go ahead and click on apply and click on OK. That is it. All you need to do is now click on start streaming, and you'll be live on Twitch before you know it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.